So one of the most common workflows that we see in a packing facility is the task of somebody taking a box and putting it down on a pallet.
Sure.
And if I'm looking for a solution to that problem, I might not even know what that solution is called. What would you refer to it as?
Yeah, I call it a pretty basic palletizer, right? We're using a robot to pick up some kind of box or bag, and we're placing on the pallet into patterns. These things can go all the way up to 180 inches tall, and people are doing that right now, which is crazy to me, right? They're jumping up, they're trying to push boxes on the top. I mean, anything above 60 inches, a human really shouldn't be stacking. And man, a heavy product, even low heavy product, right? That's not an ergonomic stance for a human to be in. So
I think something we were talking about earlier is ergonomics, right? And we talk about actually had an ergonomist, a licensed ergonomist, do a study. It was a 3-day study of certain workflows in a production facility, and what we walked away with, the report we walked away with, quantified ergonomic outputs was mind-blowing. And that thing immediately said to us, that report said to us, palletizing isn't a thing a human being should be doing.
Oh, absolutely not.
Case packing isn't a thing a human being should be doing. Can we facilitate that business process being solved because the customer needs it, while facilitating a much better and more robust, more ergonomic process for the human beings that need to be involved in facilitating the success of the operation?
With a robot, we have that perfect accuracy of placement of that case. We can,
and the quality of the stack.
The stack is so much better with a robot, especially if we were able to, transfer that pallet smoothly directly out of the robot cell to a stretch wrapper without any human touch or any forklift touch. That stack stays exactly the same from that robotic placement to the wrapper. They just work. I mean, they've been around for a long time. We work with industry leaders in creating this kind of automation, and it has really, really high uptime. And so once you get a palletizer go, kind of the whole world opens. You go, oh wow, automation can really work well. It can stay running for a long time. It's easy to operate. It's easy to work with. And Formic adds that extra layer of protection on top of that as well. So why not go to case packing? Why not do something a little more complicated upstream where there may be a better ROI, right? Because you have more workers there. A lot of companies I see, have 1 or 2, maybe 3 workers palletizing, and so there's that really instant, quick hit ROI. Just automating that, really simple task. It's great for robots, right? Really big pallets. Usually it's heavy boxes over long shifts. But then, right upstream, you see 20 people standing there, and just they're putting pouches in boxes, right? They're putting cartons in boxes. And, a lot of people are kind of, they're worried or they're scared, because they don't want to have a low redundancy, right, in their line. And so if you put automation in that case packing spot, right, your redundancy, could potentially go down. But when you see how well these systems run and how long they run, it just works.
Absolutely.
And something clicks.